It is great to watch. Always puts on an amazing show. We'll see how he fares against Mani. Last minute change of opponent.
Mani looks like he's going to be on his toes, dancing, movement. You see what I mean? He looks like he's light and relaxed. I mean, he looks like on his toes a bit, staying tight, compact.
There we go.
Nice and relaxed, Mani, nice and relaxed.
Controlling space. Working behind that jab. Doesn't look right.
Nice and measured from Arron too, though. Both feeling each other out.
Yeah, they've not rushed. You can see that.
Yeah, it's not Arron's first rodeo. Clipped him a little bit with the jab there.
You can see it's quite measured. No one rushing. Trying to pick the shot.
Ooh. Good attempt with the right hand from Arron there, just slightly short.
You know what it's like when you find that taller opponent, you've got to find your range, haven't you, John? You've got to just settle in and make sure you don't get picked up from the outside.
Absolutely, Arron did take a couple on there. Yeah.
Didn't lay it dead. Sometimes.
He's got some bleeding into the eye there. That's not good.
I thought that sort of clipped him in the eye. Looking to the front.
Yeah, we both know Arron's not just going to fall over though.
Yeah.
He's got quite a lot of blood there, actually. That's a nasty cut, actually, right near the eye. That's a horrible position.
Again,
obstructing his vision. Yeah, can't see. Hopefully, they can just clean that up.
Stay still, Mani. Mani, listen, stand tall. Stand tall. Breathe, Mani.
Nope. You and I have both been there.
I remember one of my fights, John, right? I got caught in the eye really heavily, badly in the eye. And then I got back to my corner and I says, I can't see. He went, how'd you get back to the corner then, Dave? I was like,
oh no.
Well, there we go.
What a shame.
Yeah, what a shame that's that thing.
The harsh shot of the BKB takes one punch, one cut. The referee deems to be too serious to carry on.
That's the nature of this game, isn't it? You get caught like that. There it is. Look, that shot there, bang, in the eye.
Fights to safety always paramount, obviously.
Yeah, absolutely. And especially in your eye, you don't want it to...
I think Arron's very upset with that.
Yeah, such a shame for him, that. I'm pretty sure he trained really hard for this, but yeah, that's the thing about this, isn't it? If you get cut around the eye, and that's it. That's the danger of it. But again, like you said, safety paramount. You don't
so
want to get
that's find your winner this evening. In the red corner is Mani Hameed!
Nice measured performance by Mani there. I don't even know what it was that caught him. I'd have to go back on the replay and see what it was that caught him. I mean, it could even just been a lead hand.
It was just a straight shot down the middle. Yeah. I think he caught him coming forward.
The lead hand is so much more important than BKB.
Yeah, it is.
And can end the fight, obviously, you know, point in case.
So, Mr. Mani Hameed, congratulations. Of course, you got the win. You're going to be happy. But it didn't go on maybe as long as what we'd like it to see. You saw, of course, the upset shown to your opponent. Tell me about the fight. How did it go for you?
I thought I was going to go the distance. I didn't expect it to go so quick, but what can you do? We'll run it back if he wants. Let's do it again.
The way he showed his emotions there, I wouldn't be surprised if he would probably want to run that back. But it looked like he was struggling for the second it started bleeding. I didn't hear it. Obviously, I can't hear it. Was it going in his eyes? Is that the reason?
Yeah, cut the top of his eye with a jab, and that's where it just started going.
Fantastic. So, running it back, you'd like to do it again?
Yeah, of course. Anytime.
Massive round of applause to Mani Hameed.
A huge thanks as well tonight to our main sponsors, Staff to Waste, Low Cost Roofing Gossip, Tierno Solicitors, Towel Central, Floor It over there, Supplement Junction, M&G, Sizzlers, Hybrid Balls, TVK UK and Top Dog Security. Thanks to every single one of you for your support tonight on the screen. Keep an eye out. Without them, it would not happen.